Na verdade, os moradores a cada dia estão mais preocupados e mais atentos nas suas compras. E com o aumento do custo, eles têm esticado o seu orçamento para tentar conseguir fazer as suas compras.
Rising costs across the country have hit consumers hard for years now, especially in grocery stores where inflation has made even the most basic of goods and necessities a strain on our wallets.
E os importados são aqueles que mais têm atrapalhado isso, porque o transporte tem sido muito caro.
That's Almeida, a representative from Seabrook Foods located on Waverly Street in Framingham. Seabrook Foods is a family-owned business founded by the Seabrook family, who immigrated from Portugal to the United States in 1967. The grocery store prides itself on providing its customers with a variety of ethnic foods and related items that meet the needs of diverse local communities. That means importing a lot of items, like fresh fruits and vegetables from Portugal, Brazil, Ecuador, Peru, Mexico, Spain, and so on.
Seabra Foods tem uma ligação muito forte com a nossa comunidade. Porque aqui você consegue comprar seus alimentos preferidos lá da sua cidade, lá do seu país, da sua terra.
Almeida says Seabrook Foods works hard to bring the lowest possible prices to their customers.
Nós temos dezenas de novos fornecedores para que a gente possa conseguir um melhor preço, para que o preço chegue melhor à ponta final para os clientes. Sendo assim, o Seabra, sim, está preocupado com esse momento de aumento nos preços. O que nós notamos foi que em 2023 houve quedas de produtos essenciais, de carnes, hortifrutis, e nós esperamos que em 2024 nós possamos ter os mesmos produtos com excelência, mas com preço um pouco melhor do que 2023.
But even if prices do go down a little bit, it's not likely they'll ever return to pre-pandemic levels. That's according to Dr. Laura Lamontagne, Associate Professor of Economics at Framingham State University.
This is going to be the new normal, per se, in the sticker prices that you see at your grocery store.
Laura leads a cost of living survey within FSU's Metro West Economic Research Center, or MERC for short. The cost of living survey, which has been ongoing since 1991, is a measure of inflation specific to the Metro West area. Within that survey, there are different subcategories, such as a healthcare index or transportation index. It's normal for those indexes to fluctuate, especially over a 3-decade-plus period. But adding a global pandemic to the mix has had a big impact, specifically on factors related to housing, utilities, and groceries.
Since October 2019, prices in the Metro West, or overall cost of living in the Metro West, has increased over 30% by our measure. And that's pretty consistent with what we're seeing nationwide. Groceries specifically, we see over a 35% increase in the grocery items index. So that's not to say that every individual item has increased 35%, but that is the general on average trend.
When it comes to shopping for groceries, Laura recommends being as budget conscious as possible by keeping an eye on sales or being diligent about coupons. She also recommends canvassing different grocery stores for the best prices. And if it's any consolation,
between October 2022 and October 2023, we saw very little, roughly 1% increase in the price index for grocery items in the Metro West. So if that trend continues, it would be safe to say that we've seen some sort of leveling for the time being. And that should provide some sort of, hopefully, relief for your average consumer.